Your mama can open it. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so this is what you're going to need to do to get signed off for your reports. So go to your grade book, Teacher Access grade book. Okay. I'm just going to pick language arts. It doesn't matter which one you pick. You can report it for all of them. Where it says reports, see all these little drop downs, click reports, and at the very, very end it says grade proof sheets. Okay. You want to pick, it should have a 910 in there. If not, you can add a new template or whatever. But the 910 in there, you want to add it, click on it, and then add new template. You can name it what you want. Perz, sign off. Ooh, that thunder. All right. So you want to pick whichever, you want to actually pick the last one, quarter 4, semester 2, and save it. Okay. So it's right here, but don't do anything yet. Modify the parameters, make sure it is that quarter 4. Okay. Now you want to select different classes. Make sure all your classes are checked. You don't need attendance. That you want. Mine ends in a G. Nope, that's a good one. G, science. I don't need physical education. Don't need lunch. I need social studies. This is a bogus science, and I don't need recess. So I have the ones that I want to do, and I'm going to click print. Whoa. So it's generating right now, so give it just a minute, because if you're like me, I'm impatient. I click it right away. All right, so you want to display the report. It downloads it. And now, let me put it in this frame. You can see where the progress one you're not going to be able to fix. Only the quarter 1. So if you look right here, this kid Zion is missing quarter 1. So I need to do something about that. But actually I don't, because he didn't show up to school for over a year at any school. But anyways, you will find, you will say, oh, but I did those grade changes. It doesn't matter. Skyward's wacky. You're going to have to do grade changes. And after you do the grade changes, you're going to have to, or you're going to have to import it with a new button, and then you're going to have to do the grade change request form thing, which I can help you with within 15 minutes or less, even if you have a ton of kids. Just come see me. But anyway, so you can see all of these. You'll need to print those once you have finished and completed, and give them to Perz to get signed off on.